In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method on your Shopify store. We'll walk through how to remove an existing payment method, add a new one using a third-party provider, and set up manual payment options like bank deposits or cash on delivery. Follow along on your own Shopify admin so you can make these changes in real time. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look towards the lower left corner of the screen and find the settings option. Click on Settings and you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. From that left panel, select Payments. This Payments section is where you manage everything related to how your customers can pay at checkout. On the Payments page, look for a card or section labeled Additional Payment Methods. This is where extra options such as alternative gateways are managed. If you want to remove your current store payment method from this area, click on that specific payment method. This will open the Payment Method Information page. On this page, look towards the lower right corner and click Deactivate. A confirmation pop-up will appear, explaining what will happen when you deactivate it. Read that carefully, because once you deactivate a method, customers will no longer see it as an option at checkout. If you're sure, confirm the deactivation. Next, if you want to add another payment method, head back to the main payments page. Again, locate the additional payment methods card, and this time click Add Payment Method. This opens a list or search box where you can look for the new payment provider you'd like to use. Many of these options are third-party payment providers, which means they process payments outside of Shopify and then send the funds to your account. Search for the provider you want, select it, and then follow the on-screen instructions to install or activate it. You'll usually be asked to either log into an existing account with that provider or create a new one. Make sure you have your business and banking details handy, because most providers will require that information during setup. If you prefer to offer manual payment methods, such as bank deposit, money order, or cash on delivery, go back once again to the main payments page. Scroll down until you see the card labeled Manual Payment Methods. Click the button that says Manual Payment Method. From here, you can choose to create a custom payment method, or pick one of the predefined options like bank deposit, money order, or CO'd. Configure the instructions your customers should follow, save your changes, and those manual options will appear at checkout. And that's how you change, remove, and add payment methods on your Shopify store.